vlogs.
What it do, YouTube? Random Reg here, back at you in another vlog. What's going on, y'all? Hope y'all having a great day. So you see the title? So today I'm going to talk about lessons I've learned doing social media full time. Now, for you guys that have been here for a while, you've been a supporter of mine, you know that I recently not quit my job, but was laid off from my full-time job. So I'm doing social media and YouTube full-time now. So that started in December. So from December to now, it's February, I've learned some lessons doing it full-time. And I'm going to give you 3 lessons I've learned. Now, before I get into the lessons, I need to do this. If you're new to my channel, first time checking me out, or is this your 10th time checking me out, if you have not hit that subscribe button, please hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any more vlogs. Make sure you hit that all bell. It's going to say all, hit that. And you're going to receive all my videos on YouTube as soon as they drop. And hit that like button for me. Only takes a second. It's free. It's going to help out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. It's going to help this channel to grow. And drop a comment down below. I want to know you guys' thoughts on this subject. And please share this everywhere. Help me get to 2,000 subscribers. I'm getting tired of sitting on 1,000 something. I'm ready to get to the 2,000 subscriber. Let's get there, guys. I know we can make it. All right. One last thing. If we get there, when we get to 2,000, I'm going to give away some money to a subscriber out there. So make sure you are a subscriber. All right. Let's get to lesson number 1 I've learned from doing social media full time. So, discipline. I learned to be more disciplined doing social media. Now, throughout these lessons, I'm going to be referring to YouTube a lot because that's really my main platform that I use. Now, I do use Instagram to get people to check out my YouTube channel, but I also use Instagram to give out information that I know to help others. So that's what I use my Instagram for. So I'm gonna be referring to YouTube and Instagram, and I do use Facebook. So I'm gonna be referring to all these social media platforms. So as far as being disciplined, when I was working my full-time job and doing this part-time, I wasn't disciplined because I was trying to juggle my full-time job and my YouTube or social media, and I was all over the place. Sometimes I would go 10 to 20 days posting, being very active, and then sometimes I would go 5 to 10 days not being active at all. So now that I'm doing this full time, I'm trying to discipline myself where I am always posting. If I'm not posting or if I'm not making videos, I'm behind the scenes learning what I need to do to get better and learning other ways to market and promote my videos and my social media platforms. So I learned to be more disciplined that way. Now, number 2. So the second lesson I learned is burnout. And I was burnt out when I was working full-time at a job and doing social media, because from what I learned, if you post more, you have more chances of getting more views. So I was trying to do that, post every day, and that didn't work out. I got burnt out. And I ended up not even posting for like a month, or not doing anything like a month, because I was trying to juggle the two. But now since I do social media full time, I tried to post 3 to 4 times in one day for us YouTube videos and Instagram and TikTok. And I got burnt out. So I had to try to find a way to put everything on a schedule. So speaking of schedule, that leads me to number 3, work smarter. So what I did to work smarter was check out my analytics every time I post a video or every time I post a photo or whatever information I'm putting out there on Instagram or TikTok or YouTube or Facebook. So I check my analytics and see how they're doing. If I don't see any traction, I try to learn why I'm not getting any traction and try to find better ways to get more traction, to get my video or my posts seen more on social media. So before, I wasn't ever looking at my analytics. I was just posting and going to the next video, not caring really what happens to that video until later. And I should have paid attention to that video as soon as I dropped it, maybe like about 2 to 3 hours after that. If I didn't see any views, any traction, then I need to either change my thumbnail or post on another platform or change my titles, my tags. So I wasn't doing all that at first. Now I'm working smarter. Instead of, let me put out another video, and then let me put out another video, and then let me post this, let me post that. I'm checking my analytics to see what is it doing after a couple of hours, and then finding ways to get it seen more on YouTube or get more views. So that's what I'm doing to work smarter, not harder. So that's it, guys. This was going to be a short one. I mean, these are the things I learned. I mean, I could go in depth and more in all of them, but it's really not that much to it as far as what I learned. But if you want to know more things that I learned doing social media, drop it down in the comments below. I'll come with some more stuff, but I just want to give you 3, make this a quick video, you know, especially for the people that have been thinking about doing social media full time. They know this is the things they need to do to be successful or to become successful as a full-time social media influencer or content creator. Before I go, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. Give me a like, it's gonna help out this video. Drop a comment down below, share this everywhere, help me get to 2,000 subscribers. And I'm gonna give out some free money once I get there. And you could be it. Make sure you subscribe, drop that comment down below. On that note, it's been Random, and Random Reg is out. Peace.